Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to connect an LCD display with Arduino Uno. Here is the LCD display. It has 16 pins starting from VSS to cathode pin. Now first we have to insert this LCD into the breadboard. Now we will connect these two small wires to the breadboard to complete the connection of these two rows. That means this row and the second row. Now we will use this first row, that is black wire row, as ground row, and the second row, that is red wire row, as VCC row. So we have to first connect this VSS pin to the ground. So we will connect one wire here and another wire here and another wire to any one hole of ground row. Then we have to connect the VDD pin, that is second pin, to VDD pin, that is plus 5 volt low. Now we have to connect this VO pin to a potentiometer or trim pot. We can use this type of trim pot. Here 3 pins, 3 terminal, or we can use this type of trim pot, same 3 terminals, or we can use this type of potentiometer. So now in this video we will use this. Also we will tell you how to use this. Now we will insert this trim pot here. Then we have to connect this terminal, that is middle terminal of this trim pot, to VO pin. So we will connect it using a small wire. So it is connected. Now we have to connect any one of this terminal to VDD, and we will connect this terminal and another terminal to this ground, that is VSS terminal. Okay. If you use this type of preset, then connection is same. We have to connect this terminal, that is this middle terminal, to VO pin, and anyone from this to ground, and another one to 5 volt, that is VDD. Or if you use this potentiometer, then we have to connect this any one of this leftmost or rightmost terminal to ground or VCC, and the middle one to VO pin. Now we have to connect this RS pin to pin number 12 of Arduino. We can use this type of wire. These are called single strand wire, or we can use jumper wire, male to male jumper wire. Now we will use jumper wire. We have to connect the RS pin to pin number 12 of Arduino. Then we have to connect this RW pin to ground. So we will connect it by using a wire to ground. Then we have to connect this enable pin, that is here, to pin number 11 of Arduino. So we will use a jumper wire to connect it to pin number 11 of Arduino. Now this LCD has 8 data pins. Out of these 8 data pins, we will use 4 data pins. We have to connect this D4 pin to pin number 5 of Arduino. Then we have to connect this D6 pin here to pin number 4 of Arduino. Then we have to connect this D6 pin to pin number 3 of Arduino. Similarly, we have to connect this D7 pin to pin number 2 of Arduino. Now we have to connect the anode and cathode pin of this LCD. We have to connect this anode pin to 5V pin of Arduino. So we will connect it to any one of this hole, and we have to connect this cathode pin to ground pin. Then we will connect it to ground. Okay, now we have to connect this 5V pin, that is pin number 4 from here, 5V pin to 5V pin of this breadboard, and then ground pin, that is pin number 2 or 3 to, that is ground pin to ground pin of this breadboard. Now our connection is ready. Now we have to connect our USB to Arduino board, and we will upload a code to observe whether the LCD is working or not. Here is some test code. You will get the link to download this code in the description of this video. Now you upload this code. Okay, done uploading. Okay, hi, I am good. What about you? Okay, it's working. If you will not get proper display here, that means if these letters or words are not displayed properly, then you have to rotate this potentiometer or trim pot. Thank you for watching this video. You can also buy electronics components and projects from our website www.dpvtechnology.com. Thank you.